Morning everybody, Simply Trends Trading over here. Market overview and technical analysis for Wednesday the 10th of August 2016. As always, we start off with the Euro US dollar. You can see a very clear, this is the 4-hour chart, very clear trend line break over here. Market now heading towards the outer trend line over there. It's a little bit late to enter into this trade simply because if you go long in this trade right now, you would have to place your stop loss just below this level over here, which means that your possible profit is less than half of your possible loss, and that just doesn't make sense. So I would prefer to wait to see what the market does at this trend line. If it bounces back, we can look at a short entry. If it breaks through, obviously we would be looking at a long entry. US dollar, Japanese yen. The market is adhering, at least at the moment, to the short-term downtrend line. So should the market then continue its bearish pattern, a possible entry point would be over here, just below this level, with a first profit opportunity at this level, which was formed over here, and a second profit opportunity at this level, which was formed over here. So that is where I would then place my pending orders. Gold, as you can see on gold, the market took me into this trade at this level over here, and I've placed my possible take profit just underneath this trend line over here, just to play it safe. Now guys, remember, if you want these entry levels, please pop us an email. The email address is in the description box below, and I would gladly send it on to you via email. US dollar, Canadian dollar, as we can see, there's a little bit of a funneling movement happening here. The market making lower highs and higher lows at the moment, so it would be prudent to wait and see what the market does at this trend line over here. If it breaks through, then a possible pending order or an entry order would be just below this level over here, with a positive or a probable profit level just above the outer term trend line over here. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. We can see also here the market is currently still adhering to the inner trend line, which also gives us a possible entry opportunity going short at this level over here, with a possible profit opportunity at this level over here. Should the market break through this trend line, you could possibly enter the market at this level or just above this level, which was formed over here. Or if you wanted to play it a little bit safer, you can place your entry order at this level over here. A stop loss level would then be just below this level over here, which is also below this longer term trend line over here, this upward trend line over here, with a long trade possible profit level at this level, which is formed over here, which is also within the parameters of this long-term downtrend line. Aussie dollar, US dollar, you can see that the market is continuing its very strong bullish behavior, bullish pattern, and it is currently on the day chart right at this level, which was also tested over there. Now again, I would not want to enter this trade simply due to capital risk management, as again over here your possible profit would be large or would be smaller than your possible loss. So for me personally, that's not a trade at the moment. That's a trading opportunity lost, and I'm not going to chase this trade. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. You can see that there's been all kinds of actions around this downtrend line. Market breaking through, coming back down, breaking through again, breaking through upwards again. So a little bit of uncertainty here. I wouldn't really like to enter this trade. We can see that at this level over here, the market bounced and is now going back to attack this level again. Should it break through, you could enter again. You would have the problem of your stop loss level being further away, just below this level over here, being further away than your first and even your second take profit levels. So not the best of trades to enter. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, we can see that again the market bounced just off this level over here and is currently trading underneath the shorter term upward trend line. We do not yet have an official trend line break. Only once this candle has also completed not touching this trend line, then we will have an official trend line break. So a possible pending order would then be below this level over here, trading it short to just above this upward trend line over here. Don't jump into this trade, guys. As I say, it's not an official trend line break just yet. Please be patient and bear it out. British pound, Japanese yen. We can see also an adherence, at the moment at least, to the inner trend line. Should the market now break through this level over here, then we might consider going short, and should the market break through this trend line over here, we can consider going long at this level, or even better at this level over here, and then place our take profit just underneath this longer term trend line over here. Euro Japanese yen, we see the same kind of thing that we see on the British pound. I was taken into this trade during the night, and the market is currently retracing just ever so slightly. My stop loss is above this level over here, which is also above this inner term trend line, and take profit level, the first take profit level over here, sorry, I need to just do this, first profit opportunity over here, and the second profit opportunity just above this level over here. Guys, as always, I hope you found this helpful, and as always, if you want to, subscribe to the channel, share these videos with friends and family, and until tomorrow when we speak again, as always, guys, trade safe.